Hey guys, Ali from ALTA Racks. Hope you're doing well. Beautiful day here. One of the fall days that are still warm. The front coming in, the buoy pop, we're gonna get pal. But meanwhile, we got Moto season that's here now for the fall semester. Anyway, here's a CRF 450 this is what we use for testing. My bike is about 300 pounds set up desert monster, and it's sitting on the ARCYLON. The way we have the ARCYLON set up, we have the arms, come on in Michael, we have the arms set to the final position. This is at the furthest out to allow for the wheelbase. This is like pretty much maxing out. These are, I believe, 120s on here, so that's about the width we got these maxed out to. On the front, as you can see, we have the spacers. These are set exactly to the tire width, which basically stops any kind of side-to-side movement on the wheels. And then obviously the arm, obviously as well at the final stage. The straps are going through here. We have our foot peg mount going to the ramp mount holder, and that's nice and tight, holding the bike down. As you can see, there's no movement here. I'm actually moving the truck. Well, you've seen this before, right? You've seen the dirt bike carrier, you've seen the ARCYLON enough. I've posted these enough. But what's better than an ARCYLON and a dirt bike? Well, let me show you. This is the other foot peg mount, and we're gonna release this. We're gonna keep this on. One of the things I wanted to bring up actually is this strap from this foot peg to the vehicle's hitch or receiver where the chain loop is, which really helps with kind of any kind of jerk or lever or any kind of forces that are gonna flex this whole thing. But we have this puppy on a swinger. This is a 300-pound bike, 70-pound rack on the swinger. So we're kind of exceeding the limit of swinger, but we've been playing with that number. So that's for another story. But I'm gonna pop this because the latch is on the bottom, and the reason why is because we can't put the latch on top with this setup. But that shouldn't stop us. So boom, we're gonna open it. Nobody has this. Nobody's done anything like this with products. We build engineering at our core, and not only just engineering, but that's our mill standard design process that we follow that takes us years to achieve products like this. And this is the result you get. You get results. There's no deflection. Look at this arm. The length of this arm, there's zero flex on it. The weight distribution, there's no point loading because our patented system that allows for weight distribution across the entire cross plate on the top and bottom, because these are threaded with 1,000-pound bearings in there, fully sealed with the zerg that you can grease. How easy is it to go back on? Well, let me show you. I'm going to pull the pin to allow it to swing again. There's the guide system that barely is needed. One-handed, maybe how about two fingers? Two fingers. It's in. Literally, that's how it went back in. The rack is back in, and Michael's gonna stand on this side, and I'm gonna stand on this side to get this pin back in. I'm gonna get the latch on. As always, when you're playing with the swinger, you wanna get the right spot, and then boom. And that's in. So lastly, I would take my foot peg mount and really crank on that, and that's it. Our bike rack's in. You can see I'm moving the vehicle. There is no movement in the rack, in the bike, in the swinger. There's no flex on it. I'm jumping on it, not breaking this. This is all the vehicle moving. Everything's super solid. Again, this is Ali from ALTA Racks, coming to you from Murray, Utah. Have a great day, y'all.